I'm going to explain you how to build a computer and its main components. I'm going to need this computer for working because I'm a teacher and I needed to save many documents and videos. The first thing I need is the tower case that is an NZXT S340 black blue ATX, and this costs $64.99. Then we need the core processor that is an AMD SF9370 4.4 GHz, and it costs $284 with 86 cents. After that we need the memory, and it's a Kingston HyperX Fury Black 8 GB, and it costs $42.99. Then we need the motherboard that is a Gigabyte GA9708 DS3P ATX AM3 Plus, and it costs $56 with 89 cents. Then we need the internal hard drive that is a Western Digital Caviar Blue 1 TB 3.5 7200 RPM, and it costs $52 with 95 cents. Then we need the Wi-Fi adapter because I need to work the Wi-Fi, and it's a Gigabyte GCWB867DI 802.11, and it costs $29 with 99 cents. After that we need what is the operating system, and it's Microsoft Windows 10 Home, and it costs $89 with 88 cents. Then we need what is the CPU cooler, and it's a Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO 82.9 CFM sleep bearing, and it costs $34 with 89 cents. Then we have what is the power supply that is a Corsair CX 600 watts 80 plus bronze certified semi-modular, and it costs $64 with 99 cents. And the total price for this computer is $723 with 43 cents. So I hope you enjoyed the video and the information is useful for you, because it's a computer that is specifically for working.